School is so boring.
Hey, school isn't boring. You just haven't explored what MCHS has to offer yet.
Yeah, MCHS has many extracurricular activities and options ranging from arts, technology, and sports. Here, let us show you.
Yeah, just walking down these hallways, it's clear that MCHS has so much to offer.
Hey, even take a look inside of our lab.
Hey, take a look at the urban ag room.
Urban Agriculture is a high school hands-on course where students learn how to grow food sustainably by exploring gardening, greenhouse work, soil health, composting, and basics of local food systems.
Look at our arts featured right in the center of our building. Right now, our drama program is working on our upcoming musical, Shrek.
Further elaborating on MCHS's arts, let's take a look at our art room full of creations from students. In the art room, students are encouraged to think creatively, exploring mediums such as painting, sculptures, and even drawing.
Here in our band room, students learn to play a variety of instruments and perform on and off campus. 1, 2. These are so cool. Thank you, Stu.
There's a lot of opportunities for the arts. What about career technologies?
Come on! Down this hallway, you'll find our graphics lab. This is where our Comtech, media, and computer science courses live and breathe. Hung around the room are many student creations displaying the vast possibilities achieved here in the graphics lab.
Wow, that was a really cool class. Are there any other tech-related classes?
Hey, follow me! In MCTV, students create a TV show that is then posted on YouTube. Yeah, MCTV is so fun. They give you all this equipment and you can produce your own reports.
Where do those steers lead?
Up here you can find our Gaming Opportunities and Responsibilities 9.
Also in our Learning Commons, you'll find our fashions room. In here, students complete projects ranging from sports jackets to ribbon skirts.
What about down there?
Here, follow me. In the construction lab, students learn to understand joinery, carpentry, and even welding.
In here, you'll find our cosmetology salon.
Here in our foods lab, we have 10 kitchens, an industrial-sized freezer, and a huge pizza oven.
Delicious. What are they saying?
Oh! Hola, estudiantes!
Spanish is over there.
Hey, what's student council?
Council is a group of dedicated student leaders who work to make the school a more welcoming, spirited, and community-minded place. They focus on social justice initiatives, organize volunteer projects, and bring the school together through fun theme days and seasonal activities. Student Council helps create a positive and connected school environment for everyone.
At MCHS, we celebrate diversity, whether it's through language or culture. Here is our Star Spirit Lodge, which celebrates our Indigenous and Aboriginal culture and practices. Super fun class. It's also down this hallway. You learn like super.
Go long. Come on. Hey.
Here is our gym.
Our gym is home to many sports, including cross country, golf, volleyball, cheer, flag football, hockey academy, basketball, curling, esports, badminton, rugby, track and field.
Exploring all of these programs, like CTS options, extracurriculars, and sports, it's really clear that school just isn't about sitting in a classroom. It's about connecting with your peers, building your social skills, and finding something you're passionate about.
Yeah, whether you're into trades, technology, art, or leadership, there is a place here for you at MCHS. School can be much more rewarding than you think if you just get involved.
Wow, there really is more to MCHS.